Hello everyone, you're on the GeekBox YouTube channel. Today you will find out how to make PlayStation 5 controller discoverable. Let's go. Hold down the share button and PlayStation button until the controller starts flashing blue. The controller is in pairing mode. Now you can connect it to the console or to another Bluetooth device. Choose Profile. If you cannot connect the controller to the console, connect it via a USB cable and press PlayStation button. The controller can now be disconnected from the USB. If you want to connect the controller to your phone, hold down the share button and PlayStation button until the controller starts flashing blue. Open Bluetooth settings on your phone, choose DualSense wireless controller. That's it. Now you know how to make PlayStation 5 controller discoverable. Thanks for watching, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Good luck and see you soon.